How great must a parent feel spending time with her child at home, see her grow, discover and explore the world. Be all the way with her during her learning and explorations. In America, homeschooling has been gaining popularity due to several reasons given by parents, or they have seen the applicability to their child's unique situation. But laws pertaining to this new alternative approach to education vary from state to state, and there are different interpretations to it by school districts. Homeschooling does not mean bringing school to home, because it will defeat the purpose of homeschooling, which is to enjoy learning and have more time to socialize outside rather than spend the day at school and at night they bury themselves in their homework. Often, this choice of educational approach is decided by the family due to certain unique situations like special children in the family. Others just simply want to be a hands-on parent to his or her kids' learning and explorations. In engaging to homeschooling, there are certain things you need to sacrifice, like your time and finances. It will be taxing and would take too much of your time as a mother. No more Pilates or yoga class for the moms, or even office outside the home. For the breadwinners, it will be financially constraining because homeschooling is very expensive. But try to weigh the benefits from the disadvantage of homeschooling your child. The curriculum programs offered most often are very open and flexible. The best teacher you can give your children, you. Parents are active partners in the children's learning activities. Parents as role models being reinforced as they work closely together with their kids, and how learning can be fun. How about grades? Grading your child's performance is very important, especially if the state inspects you. Grades of your homeschooled child should be filed neatly and be well organized. Grades should be your concrete measure about your child's performance. It will tell you much about what your child or how much he has mastered, though this might be overwhelming work, especially paperwork to be checked. Also, you cannot give scores to an effort like grades do. They put numbers to almost anything. If your family is ready, has studied all other options and all are positive, then you can experience that learning is fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.